welcome back. Today we are going to make shrimp and lobster sauce. There is no lobster in lobster sauce. It starts off as a stir fry. Flavor some oil, some fresh garlic, and we're just gonna crush and chop 3 cloves. Fresh ginger. Slice the ginger root. We're going to just smash that so that it separates. So there's our mixture. Put a couple tablespoons of oil right into the wok. This is preheated on medium. We'll put a couple tablespoons in there. Put in our ginger and garlic. Browning quite quickly. We'll add some pork, some ground pork.
And mix that right in.
While this is cooking, I'm going to mix the lobster sauce. It starts off with chicken broth. Put in a couple tablespoons of soy sauce, a couple tablespoons of cornstarch for thickener, a little bit of heat with a teaspoon of hot sesame oil. If you don't want the heat, you can just use regular sesame oil. Whisk this together, add a teaspoon of sugar. Here we go. Our pork is just about done. And what I like to do with the shrimp, slice it in half this way. This is when it's good to have a sharp cleaver. And what this will do is it will cause the shrimp to curl. Put in a little bit of wine. Put this right in. Pork is all cooked. It's almost there. Here's our lobster sauce here. Put that right in. See, that's starting to thicken up. Now we'll put in some thawed frozen peas. The last thing I'm going to add here are some scrambled eggs. I'm going to drizzle them just right around. We'll let them set up a little bit. As that's setting up, drizzle on scallions. So now, I'll just stir that a little bit more. This is ready to put over some nice steamed rice. And here we go. Let's have a taste here. So there you have it. Thanks for coming by, and we'll see you next time.